Hello everyone, hope you are doing very well. In our previous lecture, we have studied about many-to-many checkbox and how to apply in our custom module for Odoo 19. Today, we are gonna see a question regarding Odoo 19. As you can see, there is a comment in our video asking how to see HTML source. In previous version, there was a debug is equals to 1. Now it does not work. So what this comment basically means is when you go to our HTML field, let's go to the person's view. Here, when I select any of the field, it must have paragraph, p tag, h tag, or any of the tags. So previously in Odoo provided by default HTML tag just activating the developer mode. Currently, when I activate the developer mode, see, you cannot see the tags of the HTML field. Why it is? Because there may be two conditions. First, that the code view must set as false. Or the second condition is that the icon for the particular tag has been changed in Odoo. Let's see what I mean. Now, this particular HTML field, let's go to the code. Here in my code, in the library person view, currently you can see this is our field HTML description. I have not set any of the particular attributes. First thing, if you want to see the tags, you need to set an attribute known as options is equals to inverted commas, then in curly bracket single quote, and in single quote you need to write code view, then colon true. What I wrote here, I have simply added an attribute options in which I have added code view as true. Then what I'll do, I'll simply restart my server, go to the apps, upgrade my module. After upgrading module, let's go to the library management, open the person's view, open the code. Here you can see these all are the particular HTML field. Now currently you don't see any of the tags, right? Now if I activate the developer mode or debug is equals to 1 or assets, you can now select the particular area of the HTML, click on these three dots and expand, and here this is the particular icon which will show the particular code. See, when I hovering, it is saying code view, and when I click on that, I can see particular tags and other HTML related fields. So it is very simple, and if you want to disable, you can simply click here, it will get disabled. So I just wanted to cover this particular question because many of you may have this type of questions related to it. So let me summarize today's topic. In order to view the particular HTML field tags, all you need to fulfill two conditions. First, you must have set option is equals to code view as true. By default, it will be set as false. You need to set it as true. Secondly, you need to activate the developer mode. Click on particular text, click on three dots, and at the last you can find this particular icon which will known as code view, and on clicking you can simply see the tags for the particular text. I hope today's small topic had been understood by you. If there are any doubts, please let me know in the comment section, and if you have any type of questions, please tell me in the comment section. I will try to make a video and show to you. That's it for today. Thanks for watching.